Good morning, guys. So today we are going to explore a really cool place which is like 500 to 750 meters from my house, and I'm really excited about it. So let's get going. Look at this beauty, guys. Even though the gates are closed, side barricade wall which is so low over here that you can jump right in.
Located in the Vyara town of the Tapi district in the southern part of Gujarat in India, this fort is believed to be built 600 years to 1700 years back, as there is not much prominent information about this fort on either Google or on history papers, which is commonly accessible to common public. This fort was built by the founder of the Gaikwad dynasty Pillajirao Gaikwad as a storage place, which in local language is also called as Naka, and it was used to store supplies like foods, ammunitions, weapons, etc. These supplies were stored in a huge tower located right in the middle of the fort, and which is surrounded by huge walls from all the sides from where all the troops used to guard the tower. This fort is popularly known as Vyara Fort. Locals also call it as Maliwad Killa. Killa again meaning fort in local language, and in the archaeological books it went down as Fateh Burj or Fateh Burj Killa. So guys, first of all, the whole place is in complete ruins and there is not much of it left to, figure out any stuff.
And that makes me wonder that why hasn't it been preserved or been taken care of, because if that would have been the case, this would have been a really good tourist spot, to be honest. And this is built right in the middle of the city, which obviously makes sense if it's a watchtower. But I haven't heard or seen many forts that are in the middle of the city. I just know one which is quite popular, and that is Shaniwar Wada in the city of Pune, which is built right in the middle of the city. And yeah, it is well preserved and maintained, obviously, and that's a good tourist spot, unlike this one. And obviously that gained popularity after Bajirao Mastani, the Bollywood movie. So yeah, if you know, you know. Guys, I found out a really interesting fact about this place, that there is a tunnel built in this fort that leads all the way to Pakistan. Now, leading all the way to Pakistan can be a bit debatable, because Pakistan is quite far from here. But there is a tunnel in this fort can be really true, because it has been a part of history where the rulers and the kings used to build a tunnel in their forts to escape a crisis situations or situations of unwanted attacks, or for multiple reasons. I don't know, I was not a king. But yeah, and it hurts me that the tunnel has been completely sealed off, and I tried to find the spot or the entrance, but no luck. So this centerpiece, to be honest, the main attraction is closed, and there is a big lock on this thing because it has been falling apart. I don't know what this place is, but this feels like a toilet, and you can just poop on your enemy whenever they attack. Guys, the fact that this place is so close to my house is bugging me, because I started living in this town for more than a year now, and I actually grew up in a neighboring town, and I came to know about this place just yesterday. And I kid you not, the place where I jog is just 100 meters from here. I guess not even that much. It is so close. And just yesterday made me feel that we are so negligent that we just don't see things around us or places around us. We just put on the blinders that we put on horses and we run. We run in a single line to achieve all the materialistic and all the exhaustible goals or things that we can. But this place actually made me feel and made me stop and think that I should stop for a second in my life and look at things or places or people that surrounds me, and maybe in that 1 second I'll find something so beautiful, so wonderful, that will stay with me for the rest of my life. So yeah, thank you for joining me on this adventure, and let me know your thoughts about this place, or if I can do some improvement. I'll see you in the next one.